What is up, guys? So today we are going to be playing with paper it boats. I already have it made. In this video I'm also going to show you how to make them, so here we go. So we are going to go to this brook over here, and it's my house also. Making sure so you know, it's my dad over there just doing work. It's the highway, it's actually pretty nice. So let's get it. So over here you guys can see there's actually storm drains, which already makes it really, really creepy because otherwise storm drains, you know what I mean? So I don't know if we're gonna be able to actually get over on the side. Yeah, I'll try and go in from like over here. See what happens. Oh, there's one of them over here. Okay, so I might be able to get in from over here. I don't know. Probably. I'll try and go in from like right there. Oh, now I see the path. I didn't actually see it at first. It's kind of blocked though. So you get in like through here, yeah? Okay, so, oh, I'm literally crouched down. Like branches breaking. So I'm going to actually get rid of some of these branches. Okay, so, oh, I should have just gone over here. Okay, so I'm going to get over here. There's my other paper boat. It's not really zoomed in a lot though. Here, oh, and, oh. This is me, this is the position I'm in right now. Oh, and there. So, we are now down here at the little stream. So, there's a storm drain right there, storm drain right there, and a storm drain right there. So there's three of them. So, we are going to attempt, okay, so I'm going to actually put my camera right here. We are going to fix the boat. And now I'm going to grab the boat and I'm going to step right here and we are going to put it in and see what happens. So let's go. And it's gone. Well, so that is exactly what happens when you put it down in the storm drain. So, oh my God, almost died. Okay, so it worked that time. So we are going to go around two because it did work that time. So we are going to go around two. Yeah, it worked. So this is the point where I'm going to show you guys actually how to make a paper boat. So set it down. Okay, so I'm going to do this with one hand. So, okay, so you start off with your piece of paper. You fold it from the top to the bottom, like that, for a minute. And then you fold it like this for 1 minute. So you guys can see, so you fold it like this, take it back out. So this is the side that needs to be two-sided. So you take it from the part that's solid, and then you literally just fold down from here. Okay, so this is what it should look like. It should look like an airplane, right? So I'm going to put the camera like this. And then you're going to want to take this side, not fold it around, and you're going to want to literally put it like this. So fold this part up, okay? Just find the part that's like this and fold it up. pause the video if you have to. Fold this up again. And then, okay, so the thing that you are going to want to do now is you're going to want to kind of make a fold line between this part and the bottom part that you were already folding, and then you're literally going to want to fold it like that, right? So there we go. So you're going to want to fold it literally like this. So it should look like that. Move on to your next side. Do the exact same thing, right? And then just fold it up again, like I told you. Oh, so the camera is like over here. And then, now the next step is you are going to want to kind of fold it into like a hat looking shape thingy. And then fold it. So make sure this part is not doing anything, or else that will completely screw up your boat. So fold it into a half shape thing or whatever. And then fold it up like this. Oh my god. So fold it up like this. Move on to your next one. Do the exact same thing. Oh, sorry about the camera, how it's doing that. Okay, now, so I'm actually going to just place it down and show you. So you're going to want to go like this, right? Fold it like this. Now, the thing that you are going to want to do is I'm going to get a leaf. You're going to want to fold this part up. So right here, fold it up to the line from right here. So it should look like this, okay? So like this, right? Press that down. Do the same with the other side. So you're literally folding up like this. And then after that, you take the sides, you fold them out, and then you are done. So let's see what this one does. Okay, so make sure, I'm just going to put that down there for a minute. Make sure that when you have this, pull these sides out, and then make them go like that. So the boat actually works, or else it will not work, and it will literally just sink. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is the boat. Sorry if this video was not the best quality on actually showing you how to make it. If you didn't like the way this video turned out, just watch another one. And literally, they'll show you exactly how to make it with the exact same ways. So, get in here, like I did last time. Okay, now, it is actually a lot darker than last time. So I'm going to put the boat in now. Are you ready? And it's stuck. Wait, no. It's good, it's good. It's and it's stuck. It's literally stuck. Are you kidding me? Yeah, I have this branch to fix it though. Oh. And it's going in. Bye. Bye. You can hear the echo. So there is the video. And this is the brook over there. There's also this really creepy storm drain, quite a way, like back there. So in the next video, we might explore there, might explore the storm drain. Little hint, there's also this mine shaft video. Subscribe if you want to see that, and like the video. I am going to do that. That might be my next video. So we're going to open up the mine shack. That's what I think it is. And yeah, so I will see you guys all later. Subscribe. Peace.